You're going to begin the truss build by laying out the sheet that has the gable truss and the common truss design on it. And make sure you kind of organize all your parts by size. There is really no color coding here, even though some parts might have colors on them. You can just organize them. They're pretty obvious where they're going to fit. So you see them all kind of organized so you can make this process happen. Begin with the common truss. You see here, the top cord, you can put that down and glue the joint of the two of them together and then make sure they line up right on the line. And once you have the two top cords glued together, then you're going to glue the bottom cord on the ends here, put glue there and there. You'll tip it into place, and then once it's glued, you'll kind of hold it there like you see here. And then you have the basic frame of the common truss done here. And then you'll put in the webbing pieces. They're pretty obvious where they go. They may not exactly fit on the lines, and the joints might not be perfect, but if you glue in the smaller ones first, it's going to work better. And then if they're on the line, great, but if not, they'll be close. So don't concern yourself that they don't fit perfectly on the lines, but start with the smaller ones and work towards the middle. And then once you're all done, you can peel it off and you have your first truss. And this is called a web truss because of the webbing in the middle. And basically you're going to do 13 more of these for a total of 14 what are called common trusses. Now you're going to do the same thing with the gable end trusses where you start with the top cord and then add in and glue in the bottom cord. So there's one top cord glued in, other top cord, and then the bottom cord glued across. Again, if you need to add in a little glue on the edges, okay, you can do that as things might be a little tight. And then you'll put in the vertical support members there. Try to line them up again. If they don't fit perfectly on the lines, that's fine. Just get them close. And glue them into place. And then we're going to put the fly rafters on right away. So on the cord, you're going to start 1 foot down from the peak there, and every 4 feet, so at 5 feet here, you're going to put a line and mark an X on the left side of it at 9 feet. Okay, and 13 feet, you'll see there. And you'll do that on both sides. And then you have blocking, the short pieces there will be glued right on the line to the side of the X, and then when you have them all on there, which you see here, then you're going to take the top cord and glue those two together right here, just the two top cords, and that'll glue right on top of the blocking there, and that makes what's called the fly rafter, part of the soffit. So you can see how it glues in there real nice, and when you're all done and the glue is dried, you have yourself a common truss, or excuse me, a gable end truss. And you have one of them and you need two of them. So you need to do that one more time.